Hero.
Hey guys, today we are canoeing. What do you think? This should go on YouTube? Okay, how about let's go over to the other side where the trees are. Well, you need to get, alright, now stop paddling. No, other side. We can go straight. I know. Alright, now let's go. Look. This is kind of freaky. How do you shut off this camera? It's kind of weird. It's just staring at me. That wasn't seaweed, that was lightning. There we go. That's where we're going. Wait. That's where we're headed, guys. We're just gonna get over there and then just stop. Yep. Okay, now let's head over to the dock. You want to shut off this camera? Hey, and this is what's been going on.